Hey yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassandra and today I'm just doing this quick little video to announce what my new calendar and 30-day program will be. So as you probably know by now, every month I put out a new calendar and a new challenge to help you develop and cultivate your daily practice at home. And every month usually has a different theme. So August is called Ready, Set, Flow, and it will focus primarily on Vinyasa Flow. So this is a 31-day full body program to help you connect with the breath. Every day of the week has a different theme. So for example, Mondays we'll do arms, Tuesdays legs, and then we have core, back, all that good stuff. And then once a week, we also have a rest day. So on a rest day, I suggest that you do a yin yoga class. This is what we have included in the calendar, but some people might prefer for their rest day to actually not do any yoga, and that is perfectly fine as well. I wanted to do a calendar that focused on Vinyasa Flow because of course, I love yin yoga, I love power, I love hatha, but Vinyasa Flow really is one of those practices that kind of ticks all of the boxes out at once. So it can really help you get stronger, it can help you increase and elevate your heart rate, and it can also increase your flexibility and reduce stress. So it really is a full balanced practice. And what I found is that Vinyasa Flow is the best style of yoga that has helped me connect to the breath. So if you have never tried my calendars and challenges before, it's very simple. All you need to do is click the link down below in the description box. And once you join and sign up, you're going to receive a clickable PDF calendar. So you can either print out this PDF calendar, put it somewhere where you're going to be able to see it throughout the day and just put a little check mark or cross off the classes that you do. Or the way that I like to normally use the calendar is to just keep it on my desktop or on my laptop, and you can actually click this calendar and it'll take you to the yoga classes that we're doing that day. This is great if you plan on just streaming the classes via YouTube. The really cool thing about these challenges and calendars is that I actually give you all 31 yoga classes. So I give you the files themselves. This way you can download the classes, keep them either on your tablet, your computer, your mobile phone, whatever you use to do yoga at home. That way you don't need to rely on an internet connection. Plus you also get the benefit of doing these yoga classes without ads. YouTube always has ads, and I know for myself it can get kind of annoying. So then you can just download them and not have to worry about them. Plus they are yours. So if you're going to the cottage or traveling or just don't have very good internet connection at your house, this is a really wonderful option. My favorite part about these challenges is always the community. So I have a private group for students of Yoga with Cassandra here on YouTube, and we all do this challenge together. And it's a really wonderful way to stay accountable, to cheer each other on, and to kind of just share our progress. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Sometimes we encounter challenges in our practice. Sometimes things do not go our way. And it's important to talk about that stuff too. You know, when the practice just didn't work for you, or when you really struggled with a certain pose, or if you're getting discouraged, having a Facebook group that you can participate in and share these frustrations and share your progress is a really wonderful way to connect with other people who are experiencing the same things, and to get advice and just get support from people who are all over the world that you otherwise would have never been able to meet and interact with. So because this is the August challenge, of course, we are going to begin it on August 1st, but if you are watching this video sometime in the future and it's not August anymore, don't worry. All of these calendars and challenges are available at all times. So even if you wanted to go back in the past, I've been doing these since February 2018. All of these calendars and challenges are archived, and the link to all those past calendars are down below, also in the description box. So if Ready, Set, Flow doesn't quite feel like what you want to do this summer or this August, you can also browse through the past challenges that we've done in the past, and maybe those will work out for you the best. I really hope you're going to join us. It's always so much fun for me to do these with you guys, and I love to be able to see the progress that my students make, and really the Facebook group is my favorite part. But even if you don't want to participate in the Facebook group, having a 31-day calendar that you can follow along with is an amazing and simple way to kind of take the guesswork out of your yoga practice. So I do a lot of online yoga classes, and I absolutely hate going on YouTube and taking like 10 or 15 minutes to pick the class that I want to do that day. Maybe you have a better time with this, but for me, I get really picky. And when I'm picking classes on YouTube, I usually just go back to the same ones all of the time because I don't know, either I don't want to try a new teacher or a new style, or I'm put off by the thumbnail or the description, or who knows really, but it always takes me so long to find the yoga class that I actually resonate with and connect with and actually want to do. So if you struggle with this, having a calendar is a great way to kind of just turn your brain off. You don't even need to think about what you're going to do that day. You just do whatever is on the calendar, whatever is part of the program, and we all do it together. Plus, I have something like, I don't know at this point, but I probably have almost 300 yoga classes here on YouTube, and maybe you've done all of them, but I kind of doubt it. So following along through some calendars is a great way to try some of my yoga classes that maybe you've never done before. Maybe you didn't even know that I had. So it's a good way to kind of step out of your comfort zone, turn off your brain, and just really get back to your mat, get back into your practice. I hope you'll decide to join me for Ready, Set, Flow. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can just leave me a comment down below. And again, the link to sign up and join for this challenge is down in the description box. And you can also click the other link in the description box if you want to browse all of my past calendars and programs. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't already. I put out new full-length yoga classes every single Thursday. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon.